Don't worry. You'll be fine. I'll teach you to be a lady.
Lady? That's the thing that holds garbage, right?
No! A lady is a polite, sophisticated member of society. And you can be that. Lesson 1, don't discuss garbage.
I'm out.
Come on, you can do this.
Okay, I'll try.
Great! A proper lady requires an escort for the gala.
Why do I even bother with you guys?
No.
Please, I don't want to embarrass myself in front of fancy folk.
Fine. But I'm not wearing pants.
Thank you! Thank you!
If you want to be a lady, you'll have to train hard. You up for it?
Yes! I only have one question. Can I take this snail with me?
When meeting someone new, start with a compliment. Try saying something nice about their perfume.
You don't stink.
And go!
This is my male consort. And if you don't like him, I'll knock you out.
No sticks. Ladies don't fight. When in doubt, pinkies out. One, two, step. 1, 2, turn. 1, 2, step. 1, 2, dip.
Why is the music controlling us? I'm not your puppet, music master. I'm not your puppet!
Yeah, I think she's ready.